Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So in the previous class, we have started that the derivatives of the parametric equations and we have calculated the dy by dx values. So in the previous class, we have completed up to the question number 3. So see the question number 4 students, what is that question number 4 is? So x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 4 by t. Then calculate the dy by dx value. So how can you calculate that one here? So first we have to take that one here students. What is that? Given x is equal to given x is equal to 40, given x is equal to 40, and what is the y value students? Y value is nothing but, and y is equal to 4 by t, y is equal to 4 by t. So then what we will do that one, just here differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to t. Why? Because the parameter is t only here. So differentiate with respect to t, what happens? So the derivative of x, the derivative of with respect to t students. So that is remember that is we are differentiating with respect to t only. So the derivative of x with respect to t, so that is equal to 4 into derivative of 4 into derivative of t with respect to t. So what happens? That implies dx by dt is equal to 4 into derivative of t with respect to t. So that is nothing but 1 only. So what happens? Dx by dt is equal to dx by dt is equal to 4. Dx by dt is equal to 4. Similarly, so what is that? Y is equal to 4 by t. So differentiate with respect to t here also. What we will do that one here students? So that is a derivative of y is equal to 4 into derivative of 1 by t, derivative of 1 by t. So already we know that the formula, what is that? Derivative of 1 by x, derivative of 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x students? Tell me that. Minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So what happens? So that implies dy by dt is equal to the 4 into minus 1 by t square, minus 1 by t square. So that implies dy by dt is equal to minus 4 by t square, minus 4 by t square, minus 4 by t square. So I need that dy by dx value. What is the dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to, so how can you written this one students? Dy by dt by dx by dt. So what is the dy by dt students? That is nothing but minus 4 by t square, minus 4 by t square, and dx by dt. What is the dx by dt? This value is 4. So what happens? So this is a 4 and the 4 will be cancelled. The answer will become minus 1 by t square, minus 1 by t square. All are understood students? So see that question and practice this question. Just x value is given, the parameter is the t, just differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt value is a 4 and y is equal to 4 by t. So the parameter is the t here, so just differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to minus 4 by t square. Then calculate the dy by dx value, that is nothing but minus 1 by t square. Okay, so see that question students. See the next question students. What is that? X is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So then they're asking that dy by dx value by using of these parametric equations. So what I will take that one first here students. So take that given. What is that? Given x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So what we will do that one, just differentiate with respect to theta, differentiate with respect to theta. So what happens? So why? Because in the previous question we are differentiated with respect to t. So here we are going to differentiate with respect to theta. So then what happens here? So that implies d by d theta, d by d theta of x is equal to, so that is equal to the derivative of cos theta, derivative of cos theta minus cos 2 theta, cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So that implies dx by d theta, dx by d theta is equal to the derivative. It is with respect to theta, students. It is not the x, it is the theta. Okay, so we are going to differentiate with respect to theta only. That meaning is the derivative of cos theta, the derivative of cos theta minus the derivative of cos 2 theta, derivative of cos 2 theta. So that implies, what happens? That implies dx by d theta, dx by d theta is equal to, dx by d theta is equal to derivative of cos theta. What is the derivative of cos, students? Already know that. What is the derivative of cos? Derivative of cos is nothing but minus sine theta, minus sine theta, minus sine theta, minus. So what is this formula, students? This formula is nothing but cos f of x. This is the cos f of x derivative. I understand that. So that is nothing but cos f of x derivative. Tell me the formula. Minus sine f of x, minus sine f of x. F of x is nothing but the 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta, derivative of 2 theta. Do you understand that? So cos f of x derivative minus sine f of x, minus sine f of x into f dash of x. So what is the f? F is nothing but the 2 theta only. So that implies what happens? Dx by d theta, dx by d theta is equal to minus sine theta, minus of minus plus sine 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta, 2x derivative is 2 with respect to x derivative. So here also 2 theta derivative is 1. So automatically it will become that 2 into 1. So that implies what is the dx by d theta value, students? Dx by d theta is equal to, sine 2 theta minus sine theta, sine 2 theta minus sine theta, sine 2 theta minus sine theta. I understand that. So similarly, what we will take that one, let that is the given y is equal to, what is the y value, students? Take the y value. What is that? So I will take that, let y is equal to, that is the y is equal to, what is the y value, students? Y is equal to sine theta, y is equal to sine theta minus sine 2 theta, y is equal to sine theta minus sine 2 theta. What happens? Just differentiate with respect to theta, differentiate with respect to theta. What happens? dy by d theta, that is nothing but you can written like this. So d by dx of d by d theta of y is equal to derivative of sine theta minus sine 2 theta, derivative of sine theta minus sine 2 theta. So that implies dy by d theta is equal to dy by d theta. So that is equal to the derivative of sine theta, minus the derivative of sine 2 theta, derivative of sine 2 theta. So that implies what happens? Dy by d theta is equal to derivative of sine theta. Derivative of sine theta is the cos theta minus. So here derivative of sine f of x. Once again you are going to use the formula, students. What is the sine f of x derivative? Sine f of x derivative is cos f of x into f dash of x, cos f of x into f dash of x. So automatically what happens? Sine 2 theta derivative, cos 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta, derivative of 2 theta. You understand that? So sin f of x, this is f of x, students. 2 theta is f of x. So cos sin f of x derivative cos f of x into f dash of x, that is a 2 theta derivative is, so you have to take that. So that implies what you will get, that one, that implies dy by, that implies dy by d theta is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta into 2 into derivative of theta. What is the derivative of 2 theta? 2 into derivative of theta with respect to theta. That value is 1. So finally, you can return that dy by d theta is equal to dy by d theta. You can return as cos theta minus cos 2 theta, cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So here we got that dx by d theta and dy by d theta. At the end, what we will calculate that, therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. You can return as dy by d theta whole by dx by d theta, dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta value, it will become that cos theta minus cos 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta minus sin theta, sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So are you understand that one, students? So cos theta minus cos 2 theta, dy by d theta value is cos theta minus cos 2 theta by dx by d theta value is sin 2 theta by sin theta. That is the dy by dx. So what they are giving, that x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Just differentiate with respect to theta, you will get a dx by d theta. And y value, just differentiate with respect to theta, so you will get a dy by d theta. So then finally what we have to calculate, a dy by dx. So how can you calculate that? dy by dx, dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Just take that one and you can substitute these values and you will get the answer. Okay, so see that question, students, and practice this question. The next question, question number 6. So x is equal to theta, x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. A is equal to x is y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Then they are asking dy by dx value. So see that one, students. So first given, take the function first. What is the function is given? Given x is equal to, what is the x value, students? A into theta minus sin theta, a into theta minus sin theta. So what we will do, that one, just differentiate with respect to theta. Why? Because the parameter is theta is here. So that's why what I will get, that one, that is nothing but the derivative of x is equal to derivative of x is equal to, so that is the derivative of, that is a is a constant, students. So you can apply that a into derivative of theta minus sin theta, derivative of theta minus sin theta. So then what happens? That implies dx by d theta is equal to the a into, what happens here, the derivative of theta minus derivative of sin theta, to derivative of sin theta. So just you can apply that one, what happens? So that implies dx by d theta is equal to a into derivative of theta with respect to theta, that value is 1, minus derivative of sin theta is nothing but cos theta. What is the derivative of sin, students? That is nothing but 1 minus, that is the cos theta. So dx by d theta value is nothing but a into 1 minus cos theta. So similarly, what is the y value, students? Here y is equal to y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, a into 1 plus cos theta. So here also we will do the differentiation here, differentiate with respect to theta. So what happens? So that is nothing but derivative of y with respect to theta. So that is equal to a is a constant. So you can take it out into derivative of 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So that is equal to a into derivative of 1 plus derivative of cos theta, derivative of cos theta. So the derivative of 1 plus derivative of cos theta. What happens, students? A into derivative of 1 with respect to theta. This is a constant, so it will become 0. And the derivative of cos is nothing but minus sine theta. So what happens? That implies that is equal to minus a sine theta minus a sine theta. So what is this? Dy by, that is dy by, this value is nothing but the dy by d theta. So you can take this dy by d theta. So that implies dy by d theta value. Okay. So after getting these two values, what is the need? I need that dy by dx value. So how can you calculate this value? So see this one. So therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta whole by dx by d theta. So that is nothing but what happens, students? Dy by d theta is nothing but minus a into sine theta by a into 1 minus cos theta, So here we have to apply some formulas. What is that one is? So sine 2 theta formula. What is the sine 2 theta formula, students? So that is nothing but the 2 sine theta cos theta. So what is the half angle formula? That is the sine theta formula. What is the sine theta formula? Is 2 into sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Next, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta formula. What is that one? 2 sine square theta by 2. That is a 2 sine square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is a 2 sine square theta. If you can take the half angle, 1 minus cos theta is equal to, if you can take the half angle, it will become 2 sine square theta by 2, 2 sine square theta by 2. So we will use these half angle formulas in this one. So what we will get that one? That is nothing but you can take so here a will be cancelled, students. So you will get that minus sine theta. What is the sine theta? 2 sine theta by 2, 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole by, so 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sine square theta by 2, 2 sine square theta by 2, 2 will be cancelled, and sine theta by 2 and the square will be cancelled. So automatically what happens, students? Here it will become minus cos theta by 2 by sine theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 by sine theta by 2. Finally, what we will get, students? It will become minus cot theta by 2 So see that question, students? So all are understood this one. So just apply that dx by d theta and calculate the dy by d theta. After calculating the dy by d theta, just replace the values here. So a will be cancelled. You will get that sine theta by 1 minus cos theta. So minus sine theta by 1 minus cos theta. What is the sine theta half angle formula, students? 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. What is the 1 minus cos theta formula? 2 sine square theta by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, and sine theta by 2 and sine square, the square will be cancelled. So finally you will get that minus cos theta by 2 by sine theta by 2. So the final answer, it will become that minus cot theta by 2. So therefore Therefore, dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta by 2, minus cot theta by 2. Okay, students. So see that question and practice this question. See the next question, students. X is equal to sine cube t by root of cos 2t, and y is equal to cos cube t by root of cos 2t. So here they are asking the dy by dx value. So see that one question, students, how to solve the dy by dx value here. So see that one. So first what I will take that x value. So big question. So that is a lengthy question. So but a process is the same. So first we will calculate the dx by dt and we will calculate the dy by dt value. After calculating these two, then we will calculate dy by dx. Okay. So here a number of functions are there by using that. So first what is the given function? First I will take that given function. What is that? Given x is equal to sine cube t, given x is equal to sine cube t by root cos 2t, root cos 2t. So this is the x value. So what we will do that one here, first differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. Why? Because the parameter is t. So what I will apply that d by dt of x is equal to the derivative of sine cube t, the derivative of sine cube t by root cos 2t, So already it is in the form of, what is the form is that derivative of u by v. So first what is the formula, number of formulas we are going to use here. So the derivative of u by v, what is the derivative of u by v, students? Tell me that. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, u into v dash, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So here what we will do that one, so just apply the formula here. So that implies dx by dt is equal to, so u by v formula, students, what we will get that one, that first v is nothing but cos 2t into derivative of sine cube t into derivative of sine cube t minus sine cube t into derivative of root cos 2t whole by root cos 2t whole square. So what happens, the square and the root will be cancelled, so see that one. So that implies that is equal to root cos 2t into derivative of sine cube t meaning is nothing but, you have to understand, students, it is nothing but, actually this is the sine t whole cube. Actually sine cube t meaning is nothing but the sine t whole cube. Are understanding that sine cube t is nothing but the sine t whole cube. What is the sine t whole cube? Any function is in the form, so the derivative of x cube. What is the derivative of x cube, students? That is nothing but the 3x square. Yes or no? So that is nothing but, if for example the function is in the form of f of x whole cube, the given function is in the form of f of x whole cube, what happens? 3 into f of x whole square into f dash of x. Are understanding that? F of x whole cube derivative 3 into f of x whole square into f dash of x. So what happens here? So that is nothing but 3 into f of x whole square, that is nothing but sine t whole square into derivative of into derivative of sine t into derivative of sine t. Are you understand that? Minus sine cube t minus sine cube t. So minus sine cube t into what is the root f of x derivative? Anyone can tell that? Root f of x, root derivative of. I am already given the formula, students. Root f of x derivative. What is the root f of x derivative? 1 by 2 root f of x. 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash of x. 2 root f of x into f dash of x. Number of formulas I am going to use here. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into root f of x. F of x is nothing but the cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t whole by cos 2t whole by cos 2t. Are you understanding that? See that step once again, students. So cos root of cos 2t sine cube t is nothing but the sine t whole cube. Sine t whole cube is nothing but f of x whole cube. F of x whole cube is nothing but 3 f of x whole square into f dash of x minus sine cube t derivative of root cos 2t. Root cos 2t is nothing but root f of x. Root f of x derivative 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash of x. So next you have to understand that. So next one, that is equal to root cos 2t into 3 sine square t into derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is nothing but the cos t minus sine cube t into 1 by 2 into root of cos 2t. 2 into root of cos 2t into derivative of cos f of x. Once again I am going to use derivative of cos f of x. What is the formula, students? Minus sine f of x minus sine f of x into f dash of x, meaning is so the derivative of 2t whole by cos 2t whole by cos 2t. Are understanding that? So next see that one. So that is equal to root cos 2t into 3 sine square t into cos t minus sine cube t into 1 by 2 into root of cos 2t into minus sine 2t into derivative of 2t with respect to t is nothing but the 2 into 1. Here the 2 will be cancelled, students. So what happens? Whole by cos 2t whole by cos 2t. So see that one. So in the next step, what I am going to take that here in the denominator root cos t is there. I will take that root cos t. These are LCM. So what happens? So see that one carefully. So here root cos 2t into root cos 2t. You can understand this step here. So you have to understand this one. If you can multiply this one, so what happens? Root cos 2t into root cos 2t. It will become that cos 2t into 3 sine square t into cos t minus of minus, it will become plus sine cube t into sine 2t whole by whole by, I am already taken that root cos 2t is the LCM, already cos 2t is there. So then what happens here in the denominator? Cos 2t into root cos 2t into root cos 2t. Are you understand that, students? So just I am taking the root cos 2t the LCM. So automatically root cos 2t into root cos 2t, it will become that cos 2t 3 sin square t cos t minus of minus plus sin cube t into sin 2t by cos t into root cos 2t. So this is the equation number 1. I will take that is the dx by dt value. All this is the dx by dt value only. So after calculating this dx by dt value, then we will start that y value. What is the y value? So y is equal to, see this one, y is equal to cos cube t by root cos 2t. So cos cube t by root cos 2t is the same formula, students. I am going to use that. So what is that one is? So next, what is that? Let given. What is the given value? See, students, given y is equal to y is equal to cos cube t by root cos 2t. What is the y value, students? Y value is nothing but cos cube t by root cos 2t. So what we will do that one? Just differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. So what happens? So that is nothing but the dy by dt, that is a d by dt of y is equal to dy dt of cos cube t by root cos 2t, the same formulas we will apply here also. That is nothing but that implies dy by dt is equal to this is the u by v formula, students. So what is the u by v formula? Already you know that. So v into v value is nothing but the cos 2t into u dash is nothing but the derivative of cos cube t. Cos cube t, I am already told that one. It can be written as cos t whole cube, and minus cos cube t into derivative of root cos 2t into derivative of root cos 2t whole by so root cos 2t whole square, Why? Because v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Here this square and the root will be cancelled. So what happens? dy by dt is equal to, so you can continue that equality here. There is no need that. So that implies what we will get, that root cos 2t into derivative of f of x whole cube. I am already given the formula. So f of x whole cube is nothing but the 3f of x into 3f of x whole square into f dash of x. So we see that one, 3 into f of x is nothing but the cos t whole square. 3 f of x whole square into f dash of x, meaning is nothing but derivative of cos t minus cos cube t into derivative of root cos 2t, root f of x derivative. What is the root f of x derivative? 1 by 2 root f of x, 1 by 2 root f of x into 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash of x, meaning is the derivative of root cos 2t, So root cos 2t, lengthy problem, students, but the same procedure for the dx by dt and the dy by dt. That is the formulas I am given on the previous only. So just apply these formulas. So whole by the whole by cos 2t whole by cos 2t. So what happens? So that is equal to root cos 2t root cos 2t into 3 cos square t 3 cos square t into derivative of cos t. Derivative of cos t is nothing but the minus sin t minus cos cube t into 1 by 2 into root cos 2t into this value. I am taking the mistake here, students. 1 by 2 root f of x, 1 by 2 root f of x into 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash of x only. So that is the root is not there. So that is the remove the root. So why? Because root f of x derivative 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash of x. F of x is nothing but the cos 2t. Are you understanding that? Not the root. So that is nothing but, so cos 2t derivative. What is the cos 2t derivative? I am already given cos f of x derivative minus sin f of x minus sin f of x. Are understanding that? Into derivative of f of x. So that is nothing but the 2t whole by cos 2t whole by cos 2t. So here what happens? So take that one here. So that is equal to, see that one here, students. So that is equal to root cos 2t into 3 cos square t and this minus you can return in the front. So it will become that into sin t that minus you can write minus sin t is there. So just write this minus in the front, and here minus of minus it will become plus cos cube t minus cos cube t into 1 by otherwise I will return this minus in the next step, students. So that is the minus, I will remain the same. So 1 by 2 into root of cos 2t into minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t is nothing but the 2 into 1. Why? Because derivative of t is nothing but the 1 only with respect to t. So what happens? By whole by cos 2t. So here what is the terms you can cancel, students? That is nothing but the 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. So what we will get that one, and I will take that root cos 2t is the LCM. Root cos 2t is the LCM. Automatically this root cos 2t into root cos 2t, it will become that cos 2t. The square root will be cancelled. So what I will take that one here. So that is nothing but minus root cos 2t into root cos 2t. Why? Because I am taking the root cos 2t is the LCM. So root cos 2t into root cos 2t whole square. So it will become that cos 2t into 3 cos square t into sin t minus of minus. Here this is the minus cos cube t, and here minus 2t is there. Minus of minus, it will become plus. It will become plus cos cube t into sin 2t whole by so cos 2t into root of cos 2t into root of cos 2t. So this is the equation number 2. So see that one here, students. So first I am calculated that dy by dx by dt value. Then we are calculated that y is equal to cos cube t by root cos 2t. We are differentiated with respect to t. So I am calculated the dy by dt value. I got that second equation. Then what I will do that one. So what I need actually, so that is a therefore Therefore dy by dx is equal to, so that is nothing but already you know that dy by dt whole by dx by dt, dy by dt whole by dx by dt. So what is that dy by dt value? What is the dy by dt value, students? Already you know that. What is that value is dy by dt value. Just now we are calculated. So what is that value is? So dy by dt value we can take from my equation number 2. This is that minus cos 2t into 3 cos square t into sin t plus cos cube t into sin 2t whole by cos 2t into root cos 2t whole by dx by dt. What is the dx by dt? See that one carefully, students. What is the dx by dt value is? So from the equation number 1, what is that dx by dt value? See that carefully. Cos 2t plus 3 sin square t cos t. Cos 2t plus 3 sin square t cos t. So take that cos 2t plus into 3 sin square t into cos t. So cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t plus sin cube t into sin 2t, sin cube t plus sin cube t into sin 2t whole by cos 2t into root cos 2t. Are you understand this? So dy by dt value by dx by dt. What is the terms will be cancelled? Cos 2t and the cos 2t will be cancelled, and the root cos 2t and the root cos 2t will be cancelled. So what happens here? So see that carefully, students. So that is equal to minus 3 into cos 2t into cos square t into sin t plus cos cube t into sin 2t you can written as 2 sin t cos t. Sin 2 theta is nothing but the sin 2 theta, that is nothing but the 2 sin theta cos theta. So you can written as 2 sin t cos t whole by so what we can take that cos 2t here also you can written as 3 into cos 2t into sin square t into cos t plus sin cube t into sin 2t. Once again you can written as 2 sin t cos t So just I am written that sin 2t value. So in the numerator what we can understand, students, so in the numerator I will take that sin t into cos t is the common. So what is the terms you will get that in the numerator? See that one, minus 3 into cos 2t cos 2t. Here cos square t I am taking that cos t common, so it will remains cos t. Here it will remains cos t, and also I am already taken the sin t here. So this will become 2 cos cube t whole by in the denominator also I will take that sin t and cos t is the common. So what is the term you will get, students? So you will get that 3 cos t, 3 cos 2t, 3 cos 2t into sin t plus 2 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. So what I am taking that 3 cos 2t into sin square t into cos t. Just I am taking that sin t and cos t is a common. So 3 cos 2t into sin t plus 2 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. Or understand, students? So here you have a two formulas for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta, you have two formulas. What is that? First one is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and you have one more 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. These are two formulas we are going to use in this step. So these are two formulas you are going to use. So what is that one is? See here carefully. So here sin t and the sin t and the cos t and the cos t will be cancelled, students. So what we will get that sin t and the sin t and the cos t and the cos t will be cancelled. So what we will get that one, that is equal to minus 3 into cos t minus 3 into cos t. So here cos 2t value, cos 2t, I will use the first formula. So what is the first formula is 2 cos square t minus 1 plus 2 cos cube t, 2 cos cube t. Or understand that. So 3 minus 3 cos t into cos 2t, you can written as 2 cos square t minus 1 whole by in the denominator also. What I will take that one here, students. So 3 sin t into cos 2t, you can written as the second formula I am going to use. That is nothing but the 2 sin square t plus 2 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. Understand the difference, students? In the numerator, I am applied that cos 2 theta, that is nothing but the 2 cos square theta minus 1. In the denominator, I am applied that 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus, see the formula here, just I am written mistake here. So the formula is a 2 sin square theta. Okay, I am written that 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So what happens? Just multiply the terms, students. So what happens? Multiply with the 3 cos t inside, it will become minus 6 cos cube t minus 6 cos cube t minus of minus plus 3 cos t minus of minus plus 3 cos t plus 2 cos cube t plus 2 cos cube t whole by multiply with the 3 sin t in the denominator, students. What happens? So that is nothing but the 3 sin t minus 6 sin cube t minus 6 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. Why? Because 3 sin t into minus 2 sin square t, it will become 6 sin cube t plus 2 sin cube t. So what happens in the numerator? So it will become minus 6 cos cube t plus 2 cos cube t. It will become minus 4 cos cube t minus 4 cos cube t plus 3 cos t by in the denominator 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t minus 4 sin cube t. So in the numerator, I will take the minus common, students. What happens? If you can take the minus common, it will become 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t minus 4 cos cube t whole by. So that is the, for the mistake I am taking that one. Just I am taking the minus common. So it will become that. So if you can take the minus common, it will become 4 cos cube t, 4 cos cube t. So minus 3 cos t. Okay. So if you can take the minus common, it will become minus 4 cos cube t by minus 3 cos t by, in the denominator is 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So why I am written in this form? So I have the two formulas are there. What is that one? So sin 3 theta. What is the sin 3 theta, students? That is nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sine cube theta, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Similarly, cos 3 theta. What is the cos 3 theta? That is nothing but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Then what happens? Just I will apply these two formulas are here. So it will become that in the numerator, it will become that cos 3 theta by in the denominator, it will become that sine 3 theta. Cos by sine, it will become that minus cot theta, that is equal to minus cot 3 theta minus cot 3 theta. Or understand that? So see that question, students. Once again, just what I am taking that. Therefore, at the end, write on the formula. Therefore, what we are get that just therefore dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to minus cot 3 theta minus cot 3 theta. So see that form once again. So that is only the formulas. Just use the write down that notes and practice that one. So what is the x value? So process is the simple. What is that? Just take that dx by dt value. After taking the x, just apply the dx by dt. Is the u by v formula. Apply the formula. Then you will get that dx by dt. And take that y is equal to. That is also u by v formula. Just to differentiate with respect to t. Apply the u by v formula. So just you will get the dy by dt value. After getting these two values, just calculate the dy by dx value. What is the dy by dx value, students? Dy by dt by dx by dt. Just take that values, you will get that minus cot 3 theta. So see that question, students, and practice that number of times. Okay. After the simplification, if you have any doubt, after the writing the notes and practicing the question, you have any doubt, ask in the group. Okay. So see that question, students, and practice the question. See the next question, students. X is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin 2t. Y is equal to a sin 2t. Then they are asking you have to calculate the dy by dx value. So how can you calculate that one? Same model, students. So first what we will take that given. So first to take the x value, students. Given x is equal to, what is the x value? A into cos t plus log of tan t by 2, log of tan t by 2, log of tan t by 2. So just differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to t, what happens? That implies that d by dt of x is equal to d by dt of x is equal to a into derivative of cos t plus log of tan t by 2, log of tan t by 2, log of tan t by 2. So that implies what happens, students? It will become that dx by dt is equal to a into derivative of cos t, derivative of cos t plus derivative of this value is nothing but log of tan of t by 2, log of tan of t by 2. You have to understand, students, there are three functions are there. Log, tan, t by 2. So 3 times you have to differentiate. Okay. So see that one formulas once again. I will give you the formula, students. What is that one? Is derivative of log f of x. What is the derivative of log f of x? Tell me that one. Number of times we are used. What is that? So that is nothing but 1 by f of x into 1 by f of x into f dash of x Next, second formula, derivative of tan f of x. What is the derivative of tan f of x, students? Tan f of x derivative secant square f of x into f dash of x So that implies That implies dx by dt is equal to a into derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is nothing but minus sine t. Derivative of cos is nothing but minus sine t plus log f of x derivative. Log f of x derivative 1 by f of x. 1 by f of x. F of x is nothing but the tan t by 2 into log f of x. This is f of x, students. Log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x into derivative of f of x. F of x is nothing but the tan t by 2. Tan t by 2. Derivative of tan t by 2. Are understanding that? Log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into f dash of x. Next, dx by dt. So that implies dx by dt is equal to, so that is equal to a into minus sine t into, that is a plus 1 by tan. 1 by tan is nothing but cot t by 2. 1 by tan is nothing but cot t by 2 into, what is the tan derivative, students? Tan derivative is nothing but the secant square. Secant square t by 2. Tan f of x. Tan f of x derivative secant square f of x, secant square f of x into, what is that? That is nothing but the derivative of t by 2, derivative of t by 2, derivative of t by 2. So what happens? So that implies dx by dt, that implies dx by dt. So that is equal to a into minus sine t plus cos t by 2. Cot meaning is nothing but the cos t by 2 by sine t by 2. Cot is nothing but the sine by cos, that is the cos by sine. So into secant square is nothing but the 1 by cos square t by 2 into t by 2 derivative. 1 by 2 is a constant, students. You can take it out. Derivative of t is 1. So automatically it will become 1 by 2 into derivative of t is the 1. So what happens here? This is the cos t by 2, and this cos square is there. So the square and the cot t by 2 will be cancelled. So what you will get, that one, that implies dx by dt is equal to a into minus sine t plus 1 by 2 into sine t by 2 into cos t by 2 So what happens, students? 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Already know the formula. What is that formula is? So sine theta can be written as half angle formula is nothing but 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Apply this formula. So what happens? So that implies dx by dt is equal to a into minus sine t plus 1 by sine t. So take the LCM here. So what happens? So that implies dx by dt is equal to a into, take the LCM, students. What is the LCM? You can take a sine 2, that is the sine t is the LCM. Sine t into minus sine t, it will become minus sine square t plus 1. So already you know that 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Just apply this formula here. So what we will get, that one. So that is the final. You will get that dx by dt is equal to a into this value in the numerator. It will become that cos square t by sine t, cos square t by sine t. So this is the dx by dt value. Are you understand, students? So see that next value is, you can take the value See the next one. What is the dx by dt value, students? See that one. So what is the y value, students? Y is equal to a sin t. Y is equal to, given one more equation is that, what is the given y? What is the y value, students? Y is nothing but the a sin t. Y is equal to a sin t. Take that value also. Y is equal to a sin t. Y is equal to a sin t. This is the simple equation. Just differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What happens? That is the derivative of y. Derivative of y is equal to a into derivative of sin t. A into derivative of sin t. A into derivative of sin t. So what happens? That implies dy by dt. That implies dy by dt. Dy by dt is equal to a into derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is nothing but the cos t. So what is the required is a dy by dx value. So then what I will take that one d, therefore dy by, so take this is the equation number 1 and take this is the equation number 2. So I need that a d, therefore dy by dx. Dy by dx. How can you written this one, students? So this can be written as dy by dt whole by dx by dt. Dy by dt whole by dx by dt. What is the dy by dt, students? So that is nothing but a into cos t. A into cos t by dx by dt value is nothing but a into cos square t. A into cos square t by sin t. A into cos square t by sin t. So what happens here? So what is the terms you can cancel, students? That is the sin t. So what is the terms? A will be cancelled, and this cos t and this square will be cancelled, students. And also this sin value came into the numerator. It will become that sin t by cos t. Sin t by cos t. So it will become that tan t. It will become tan t. So see that question, students. So first what I am taking that dx by dt value. So first I am going to take that dx by dt. So what is that? X is equal to, what is the x value is a cos t plus log of tan t by 2. So differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What happens? Dx by dt is equal to a into cos t derivative minus sin t and log f of x. These here it is a very important, students. You have to understand that there are three functions are there. What is that functions are? So you have to take this is the here log of tan t by 2. Log of tan t by 2 meaning is a three functions. Log is a one function and a tan is a one function and a t by 2 is a one function. So first log f of x. Log f of x derivative. Log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So log of tan t by 2 derivative, what I will take that one? Log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into f dash of x. Next tan t by 2 derivative, tan f of x derivative secant square f of x into f dash of x. Secant square f of x into f dash of x. So here 1 by tan meaning is cot. Cot is nothing but cos by sine, and secant square t by 2 is nothing but 1 by cos square t by 2. And derivative of t by 2, 1 by 2 is a constant, students, so take it out, and derivative of t is 1, so it will become 1 by 2 into 1. So here minus sin t plus 1 by sin 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, it will become sin theta. Take the LCM, sin t into minus sin t, it will become minus sin square t plus 1. 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but the cos square theta. So next y value. What is the y value, students? Y is equal to a sin t. Differentiate with respect to t. So sin t derivative is cos t. So what is the required is dy by dx. What is the meaning that, students? Dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt value is a cos t and dx by dt value is a cos square t by sin t. So a will be cancelled, student. The square and the cos t will be cancelled. You take this sin 2 to the numerator, it will become sin t by cos t. It will become tan t. All are understood, students? So see that questions and practice these questions. I will continue in the next class. Okay.